Hello friends, welcome to How to Do It. Today I'll show you how to make a table in this table. So if you want to make table, then how you can make table you don't know. So I'll show you how to make table. Okay, alright. So let's go to the editor. This is my editor. Now if you need table, then first you need to write the table tag. Okay, then table row, then T is mean table head. Alright. Now I can just write serial number, SL number, then name, then I mean company name, another location. Okay, and now we can view. Okay, so first need to save on this folder. Okay, so now I need to data write table data. Okay? Like table row, then TD means table data 01, then Google location USL. For example, table data 2 in AliExpress, AliExpress like China. Then another table data 3, company name Microsoft, location Dhaka, Bangladesh. Now we can see this is the table. Okay. So if you want to add the border like then you can just style TH and TD. Border 1 pixel, solid, color 0. Now we can see that's it. Now we can also add the padding like padding 5 pixel to 15 pixel. That's it. It now looks professional. So that's it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel if you like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.